friends, students, and enthusiasts. Today I have come up with a new project, a very simple project and very innovative type of project. Since this project is based on a very tiny and a small board that is very powerful microcontroller board, that is Raspberry Pi Pico Zero board, that is RP2040-Zero board. As you can see on your screen, this is the small board, right? So with this, we are making a small project for all grade of students, especially for school students who want to do some small project based on microcontroller, some new microcontroller, and with a different language, that is a Python language. So Wearable Mood Badge with RP2040-Zero, that is small board, we call it as a zero OLED display. I have used it since the variables will be smaller in size, like watches and other things. So OLED 1306 is a small display, and you can use any of the sensor to operate it, or otherwise you can also use switches, that is up and one micro switches to control it. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide. The components I have used, of course, I have used a RP20 board, that is a tiny small board. Then I told you that it's a powerful microcontroller board. Second is I have used as a display, that is SSD1306. Okay, LiPo battery, that is lithium polymer battery, a small battery is there. You have a sensor, any of the sensor which will give you logic high and logic low. Any of the sensor you can use it. You have also used, since I'm not connected on the top and bottom, I just wanted to show you. So I have used made it on a breadboard. Few jumper wires has been used. All right. So wiring diagram, very simple. That is from GPIO 0. We are connecting it to LCD SDA pin. From GPIO 1 is connected to SCL pin of the LCD. Sensor output, that is one digital outputs from the sensor, it is connected to GPIO 4. So all the three, that is this your LCD display as well as your sensor is connected to 3.3 volt DC and ground to ground. If suppose you are using a switch, then you can use a 10 kilo ohm pull down resistor. That pull down is nothing but from switch to ground. Okay, that is 10 kilo ohm resistor. You can use it, but probably it is not necessary in this case. So these are the code, simple code in MicroPython. You can use it in this thing, and you can see here in the MicroPython code, the moods are when you press the button or you change the position, happy, on natural, sad, and cool. These are the three things which you will get on the display. Very basic project. Okay, so let's go to our lab and see how does it work. All right, students, I've just wanted to tell you one more thing. That is the programming, what you do, that is MicroPython type programming, what you do, you can do it on Thani ID. So this is the ID, there is a main.py. This is the main program, what we have written that I have already shared with you. Second is this one. Okay, this is the SSD 1306 PY. This is for your display. So these two programs, that is main and SSD, these two programs are important for us. So what ID? Thorny ID for MicroPython, and you can write this program. Already I'm sharing this program with you, very simple. And so we are in our lab now. So simple, very simple project. So this is our main board. Okay, so this is my RP2040-Zero board. Very small, very tiny board because it's a variable. Okay, so this is also tiny. That is your OSD display, which has 4 connection. I already told you this. I have used a battery. Okay. Now for input, what I did is I have used one sensor. That is one what do you call it, earthquake sensor, or it will tell you the position sensor and all. So I've used. Suppose now you can see it is the mood badge is side. Okay. So what I'm just shaking this sensor once. You can see here I'm just shaking the sensor. Cool. It has turned to cool. There are four positions to please remember. Again, I'm tilting it. Happy. Okay. So likewise, according to your this thing, it will change. That is neutral, right? Sad, cool, okay, happy, likewise. So these are the, we can use switches also. I've connected switches also, but I'm not directly given the connections. Instead of the sensor, I can use operate with the switch also. Okay. Okay. So how many connections? One, two, three, four. Four connections. Supply will be on this side. I've given it to the battery, that is 3.7 volts, approximately 4 volts. Okay. So very simple type of project. What you can do, especially for the school children and all, they can enjoy, starters, beginners, they can enjoy the project. I hope you will like it and you will this thing. So based on this, I will make some more projects and I will put it in the form of a video for you. I You will like it. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.